Hey, howdy, folks. We found some pictures from the hard drive uh, issue that we had, but they were on my phone. This was before Gage.
Yeah.
The last stop before Gage. This was Las Cruces at
Yeah.
Baylor's Canyon Trailhead.
Yep. Our first time staying here. This is another honey. This is a Class A.
Yep.
Very nice couple.
First time we seen a Class A honey.
And we went down to White Sands National Monument Visitor, so I could get my
We
stamp.
went to but we went to the park, but we lost that video on the hard drive.
Yeah.
Of course, they got a
No
gift
pictures.
shop, and they got crystals. Look at them crystals and rocks, and
Yep.
the what are those lamps?
Salt lamps.
Salt lamps.
Yep.
And of course, masks were required at the time. I'm not sure if they still are, but a lot
Very
of
nice
stuff.
visitor
Yeah,
center. And
the place was underwater at one time, so that's why there's sharks and stuff like that. But I'd like to go back sometime.
yeah, we need to go back.
Yeah.
We didn't get our hiking stick medallions. I didn't find any.
Oh, yeah.
And we did do 2 little trails there. We did the one on the
Yep.
boardwalk, and then we walked around the one.
Yeah, the boardwalk video is the one we lost.
Yeah. The other one was we were just outside the car looking.
This was also our first time staying in Las Cruces.
Mm-hmm. Definitely going
very
back.
Very beautiful sunsets. Almost as good as Arizona. But yeah, I would definitely go back there. I forget what this was. Oh, this was the visitor center. So, yeah, I thought this was another building in there.
The visitor center's up front, and then you go through that little patio thing there to the gift shop.
Mm-hmm.
And I couldn't find the hiking stick medallions. They're probably there. They're probably right under my nose. They had quite a few people in there, so I didn't ask.
There you is.
There's me with my book for my stamp. I got my stamp, so I was happy.
The chandelier. Look at the chandelier.
Yeah, we both were like, oh.
Yeah, that would look good in honey. We'd have to walk around it, though.
You would, I wouldn't.
And, of course...
This is the clouds kissing the mountains.
Yep, the mountain behind honey. That's the moon coming up over the mountains.
Oh, it was beautiful there.
It was. Wait till you see these sunset pictures that are coming up now. Check these out. Oh, my gosh, the sunsets over there was amazing. What do we got left? Only about a minute. We got a minute of sunsets, pretty much.
Yeah, we highly recommend if you go through the area, check out White Sands, New Mexico.
Also, this is where Prehistoric Tracks was at. We
Traceway.
went over there. Yeah, we went over there and shot. Yeah, Prehistoric Tracks.
Yeah.
Went over there and shot a video. Of course,
Gone.
lost that.
No pictures. Nobody
we camped over there this last time. We didn't camp over there long enough to go get it again. Go reshoot the video.
No, we only stayed one night.
Awesome sunsets.
Beautiful watching the town light up too.
That is Las Cruces.
Yep.
Way out there in the distance. The city lights. But these sunsets. I just can't get over the sunsets out west here. They just never cease to amaze you. And me. We can sit out for hours and watch the sunsets.
Yep.
Well, anyway, that's what we found. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're back to making videos and seeing what else we can find during this hard drive mess up. Later.